bitch. Bertha! Whoa. Hell no. So this is the famous table rock. Nah, bro, it's on the top. The tabletop.
Street heat, get 'em.
You got yours from Snapchat?
Yeah, so you know Snapchat takes theirs from AccuWeather.
And AccuWeather's owned by the government.
No, it's not. It's owned by global warming. Bertha!
Ooh, good backlighting on me. Aye. But to climb this goddamn, it ain't even a climb, it's more of a heavy walk. Yeah.
Bro, you got snacks in there?
Yeah, I got snacks. It's a light caress up this mountain. Got the boys with me. It's gonna be a good time, baby. Yeah, we gotta sign in just in case we die and like they come and check. All right, so okay, like at the bottom of the mountain, you sign your name. That way they know who's on the mountain, and when you come back down, you check it. And then you gotta write your race on there. That way, if you black, they leave your ass up there. Yeah. Bertha! Ooh. Y'all ready?
We out here.
God damn it. God damn it.
I think it's a big ass water bottle I'm carrying around with. Where's your walking stick at? Huh? Oh no, other people got walking sticks. Hey, you brought that on. I know I have your walking stick. Come over here.
All hikers must register.
Bertha!
Damn, I wish y'all was burned. That should be lit.
I will go. So, are we making good time?
No. We're making terrible time.
Yeah.
You said it's not the mile marker? All right, so we're on the mountain and we're making terrible fucking time.
Yeah. Gotta keep pushing, bro.
This shit beautiful though, my nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So we on the mountain.
Yeah.
We hiking. We chilling.
It's muddy.
It's muddy as a bitch.
I got a stick.
Oh.
I done hit
Little lick.
Got the blicky out.
Man, what is sticky, huh?
Call me Mickey out.
Call me Mickey, huh? Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bruh.
I mean, I can.
Yeah, just go on the backside, nigga.
Yeah, chill, bro. We ain't take you to the hospital.
Bruh, if Uno fall, I'll give Uno $1 million.
Do you have $1 million to give?
He ain't gonna fucking fall.
I ain't gonna fall, bro. I don't want you to fall, Uno.
Go on the backside.
No, right here.
All right.
My boots got grip, though.
You said your boots got drip
Grip.
in your walk? I got the drip in my walk. There you go.
Blood clot.
You made it, baby?
Damn, I just brought my phone up here. Throw that shit.
Huh. Let's get down to business. Defeating the Huns. Let's get down to business. Woo, wah, woo, wah, ha, 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 ha. Let's go, baby.
For too long, we've watched from the mountains with your technology. Top of the mountain.
Hey, Justin, give me your theory for how these boulders got here.
Alright, so what happened was, right, the earth and the planets was all united in the Happy Kingdom of One. The earth was like, man, I'm tired of this shit. Got us on orbit, right? Then, big ass rocks started to form. Then after that, small ass rocks started to form. Then after that, baby rocks started to form. And then after that, baby rocks started to form. And that's how that happened.
Word.
Onward.
Bertha! Yeah, bitch. Bertha!
Whoa.
Hell no.
So this is the famous table rock. Nah, bro, it's on the top. The tabletop.
Salvation is near.
Thank fucking God. Alright guys, I'm setting up shop.
Oh my God.
See you after the presidency is over with.
Walk in the park. Can't believe it's our third time doing this today.
1 on 4, bye. Governor's Rock.
I just split the mountain. Hey, Uno.
Yes.
Come get the picture of me, cuz.
Yeah,
But now I'm fine.
you heard me?
Was blind, but now I see.
Oh no, y'all niggas making up notes now.
I see.
Cardio section.
Where's that sound, please?
It's near, bro.
Cardio section.
God damn, hold up.
Cardio section.
Back there, hold.
All little rock climbing action for y'all boys. Let's go, B-Mail.
God nigga today.
Holy moly.
You can do it.
Serve me a brick at the stove. Looking like Shaq in the pose.
Yeah.
I don't care how far I gotta drive to. From the road, from the main road.
Shit, lady sauce.
I'm in the frame? No.
Yeah, it's a wide frame. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. That shit look good, boy. Look at this. He packed the ice cream sandwich.
It's worth the trip, bro.
It's good. You heard it crunch. You can't even fake like it ain't freeze dry.
Alright, that was great. Beautiful.
Yeah, baby. Looks flat to me. I'm pretty sure that's China. Right there. If that's China, then that's Russia. Bro, you walked off like Bigfoot just now. Yeah. You're a fucking winner, bro. You are a fucking winner. Woo! Baby, now ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from fucking on you, baby. Bro, you killing this shit, though. Huh? You killing the mountain game right now. Ooh. We're almost there, baby. Woo! Woo! Hella no song.
No soy sauce, just that sauce.
Fuck you, no, fuck are you.
No fuck are you.
No, fuck are you.
No fuck are me. You almost there, bro. I'm damn mountain nigga. I was raised here. Born here. Died here.
Give me some mountain tips, cuz.
Alright, mountain tip number 1. Wear fucking boots. Alright? You don't want to be on the mountain with flip flaps. She ain't flying around here. Alright? Next mountain tip. Have a spirit stick that she will guide you. Alright? Let me see what else. That's it for now. I don't want to get too many tips. Cause I know y'all niggas still on y'all couch and shit.
So, Byron, man, we almost to the bottom.
Yeah.
How you feel, baby?
Like a winner.
Goddamn winner. You look like a goddamn winner.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go! They never tell your ass you gotta come down. They say like it's a goddamn water slide to the bottom or some shit.
They always motivate your ass to go up. Don't never motivate your ass to go down.
Damn base jump to the bottom or some shit. Zip line to the bottom.
Like ski to the bottom.
Ski to the bottom.
No snow.
No snow.
No ski.
No board. No neck.
Not a now nutter.
Not a nail nor a neck.
Not a now nutter nigga in there. I'm playing Scrabble when we get back.
About to put nail nutter in there.
Now nutter nigga in there.
Now nutter. Now nutter nigga the neck. Now nutter nigga the neck.
That's 4 N-words.
Oh.
Mother man.
Oh, he nasty.
Oh shit.
He nasty.
Go over that shit. Like Master Roshi. Oh, bro, Master Roshi with the stick. Okay.
Oh.
Master Roshi with your bitch.
Ooh.
Man, that's possible.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. What the fuck? We in the goddamn home stretch. Woo! Not even 0.6. 0.3. Yeah. Turn me up. Turn my shit up. Yeah, baby. Made it to the Is Not End.
Woo! I just touched down on the
Pussy nigga. Oh! Whoop, whoop. About to sit down. Oh yeah, baby, we done. How you feeling? Like that a lot. Let's go, Uchi.